Coming up in this video, we've got more coconut rum awesomeness in the form of this. Welcome back, boys and girls. In this video, my last video in this little filming session, I've done 6 in this session. I've kind of finished with coconut rum. What I've got here is a coconut and melon Paloma, if you like. Now, Palomas are technically tequila, but I went with coconut rum. Who cares? Who cares, really? Cocktail police, don't worry. So this is absolutely delicious. Lovely cocktail for me to finish on, because this is just going to get polished up straight away. Fun, fruity, sweet. Yeah, it's more sweet than sour, but it is beautifully balanced with lime and grapefruit in there as well. Honestly, you are just gonna love this cocktail. Honestly, you really, really are. Trust me. Fun, just fun. Right, let's run you through the ingredients. Obviously, I've just spoken about that. We've got a coconut rum, Midori. You guessed it, didn't you? You guessed it from the colour, Midori. Oleo saccharum, kind of, it's an orange sugar syrup, but it's the kind of the essential oils from orange, the zest of orange. So it's kind of got that lovely kind of sort of essential oil zestiness to it. Love it. We've got Ting Grapefruit Soda hiding behind my lime juice. There we go. Very, very simple drink, this one. You probably could even make it in a glass and stir it, but I'm just going to shake it down. Of course we are. So, ingredient number 1, Koko Kanu, 60 ml double bubble of this little bad boy. Proper coconut rum, and it is proper. We are going for everyone's favourite green stuff. No, not creme de menthe, Midori melon liqueur. And again, 15 ml, half an ounce of Midori. Melon and coconut, they just go so well together. Absolutely lovely. Oleo saccharum. This is a revelation for me. I've never made oleo saccharum. I've never used oleo saccharum before, but I got this from Drink Stuff. Honestly, it's amazing. Old fashions and things like that. It's amazing. So I'm going for 15 ml of oleo saccharum. So erring on the side of sweet, this cocktail. But don't forget, we've got grapefruit soda coming and we've got lime juice. So we're going to balance this out beautifully. 15 ml of lime juice. Feel free to add a bit more lime juice if you kind of want. That'll do for now. And then we're just obviously going to shake up and top up with the old Ting. So plenty of ice in there. Look at the colour of that bad boy. Hot fire shake. How many seconds? Yeah, correct. Oh, I can't, the colour of this. Colour of this is genius. It's like blue cocktails. Everyone loves green cocktails as well, don't they? Right, what am I doing? Ting Grapefruit Soda. Let's go 60 ml, 2 ounces of Ting. Here we go. Opened yesterday, so not quite as fizzy as it could be. A little bit for luck. It's up to you. 50, 60 ml, 75 ml, whatever you fancy. Right, glass-wise. That'll do. I'm just going for that. I'm just going to single strain. I'm going to put fresh ice in. Actually, fresh ice in now. Why not? Break a habit of a lifetime. That'll do. Look at the colour of that. And I've run out of crushed ice. I've got a tiny, tiny little bit there. So the last video of this filming session. 6 videos in this. There we go. A little bit of crushed ice on top. That makes it look pretty. Look at that. And then to garnish, I've got a little slice of grapefruit there. And I've got one. Yeah, that'll do. Where's a decent one? There it is. Whoppers. There we go. Sprig of mint. Look at that. Let's pop that in. Popping up on screen right there will be loads more coconut recipes for you to dive into. Just go and check them out. If you like the video, big old thumbs up. If you don't want to miss any of my future content, make sure you subscribe to the channel.